Hello, I'm ready. This is Thunderbolt 1000T fan. The Wheelock Exceder HSR is gonna go off any second now, and I'm ready. I'm so ready. It's time to hear these in action. Get ready, it's gonna get loud. May want to cover your ears, they're gonna be noisy. There it goes. No, that's loud. That's very loud. Is that loud?
Yes, it definitely is loud.
It's not that bad. I like it. I told you they're very loud.
Alright.
They're called Wheelock Exceders, HSRs. They are very, very loud. I'm enjoying it.
Same here. I'm done with it.
They'll turn off in a minute.
I know.
They're just making sure they're working. I'm going inside in the back. This is a strobe light in here. This one's strobe only. Oh yeah.
There's like a faint light coming from them.
Yeah. They haven't been turned off yet.
There they go.
Now it is flashing.
Great.
I think they ran it for like 5 minutes.
Yep.
Think so.
They all work.
Alright, perfect. Thank you.
No problem. Now that's it. That's done.
Great.
All right, well.
That concludes the system test of the Wheelock Exceders HSRs. This is Thunderbolt 1000T fan signing off here. Great success, everyone. Great success.